so you got lock nuts and your key is broken. Well, grab yourself a 12-point socket that fits over. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in. You're gonna hammer it in a little bit, not too much. You got the torque wrench does, or a breaker bar, whatever. Go ahead, take it off. Oh man, I got hammered in more. Here. You don't want to hammer it in all the way so it doesn't get stuck. That way you can only use one and you won't have to buy multiple.
Like I did. Like a dumbass.
Like he did.
Like a dumbass.
Like he did. But see, unscrews easily. And let me show you how to get it off.
Yeah.
So if it doesn't come off by just pulling on it, just get a hammer, hit it multiple different ways. Camera. It'd be better if you had like somewhere to rest it, but whatever. There you go. Just like that. Show them the lug. There you go.
This is some bullshit.
Easy as that. Alright, good luck guys. As long as you have a hammer, a socket that fits, and a breaker bar or whatever, you can get your lock nuts off and replace them with something else.
Yep.
Get that. It's behind your wheel. No, get the socket behind your wheel.
Hold on.
We got all. What? Don't show my address. Don't show where I live.
Okay, so our shiny lives.
Hey, I'll kill you.
I don't actually know the street. So.
Good. Don't even show what my house looks like.
My hands.
So wait, that means you're gonna have to take one off and put one on.
Yeah. So what's gonna happen? Oh shit.
Chose the wrong person to film with my shaky ass hands.
Image stabilization. So good.
Just Dennis is rich.
What? Rich?
Tell him how rich you are.
I'm not rich.
I want you to tie in this one first.
I need my...
Yeah, do it before you take the other one.
It's fine.
You don't want to risk damaging it.
Oh shit.
That cord had a STI wing.
What the hell?
Yeah, that red cord just went by, had an STI wing.
Why?
That's so ugly.
You say I'm a racer.
Well,
Fuck you, you bitch. This one.
hey, now you can get your tires.
Yeah. My dad's gonna be like, what the fuck is this?
Steph, actually I wasn't. I don't know.
I don't, what?
You just got a message.
am I doing? Stupid.
Your wheels are no longer safe, Dennis.
Another one? God damn. There's only one thing that sucks about these lug nuts. They're not 19s anymore. And they went down to 17s.
You driving one day and then your wheel just comes off.
Fuck. You know what I was supposed to do if I put these lug nuts on? Spray paint this black. Or plasti dip it. That way it has a little bit more color.
Yeah, plastic.
Yeah, but I'll have to have more time to actually jack up the car and everything. I don't have that kind of time.
Plastic it over. Just cover around.
It's too much to cover. I'd rather just do it when I do another tire rotation, because I think I gotta change my front tires real soon. And I gotta grab coolant. Fuck! Oh look, it's a cop. Sir, is all legal, sir?
It's like, let me turn on Dennis's headlights real quick. Let's see how legal it is.
Oh yeah, I gotta show them the headlights. They haven't seen it yet. Because now this side's done.
On to the other side.
Yeah. You wanna help me out?
Nope. It's your last one. No, it's not.
So like that. Can you loosen it for me then? What the fuck? Well, I was interrupted yesterday. I'm gonna show you guys the new lights I have put on. I want purple. Hold up. All white. And then flip this once. Oh, dude. I'll definitely get pulled over for this. No lie. Oh, shit. It's worse than purple because this is blue. Oh, God. Sick. Looks nice, but fuck. There we go. Do that.
Don't feel fucking